Myself, Kokila Bhatia, teaching in Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College. Welcome, students. This is Kokila Bhatia, teaching maths for Standard 8. Today we are going to discuss about the altitude and medians of a triangle. Let's recall first. We have learnt that the bisectors of angles of a triangle and the perpendicular bisectors of its sides are concurrent. These points of concurrence are called the incenter and the circumcenter of the triangle. Now children, what do you mean by bisectors of angles? Bisectors of angles means a line that splits an angle into two equal angles. And the bisector of angle of a triangle divides the opposite side in two segments that are equal size to the other two sides of the triangle. Now concurrent. Concurrent means a set of lines which intersect and meet at the same point. Incenter. Yes, incenter means the circle contained in the triangle. It touches the three sides of the triangle. Now, what do you mean by circumcenter? Circumcenter means the point at which the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle intersect and which is equidistant from the three vertices. So children, what is the bisectors of angles of a triangle and perpendicular bisector of its sides? Yes, they are concurrent. And what are the points of concurrence called? It is called incenter and circumcenter of the triangle. So I think this you already had done in your previous standard. So today we are going to discuss about the altitudes and medians of a triangle. Now, what is an altitude? Altitude means the height and it is always represented by a perpendicular segment from the vertex. Now children, just look at those two figures. For example, in triangle ABC, segment AP is an altitude on the base BC. That is, segment AP is perpendicular to segment BC. Now look at the second figure. In triangle XYZ, segment YQ is an altitude on the base XZ. That is, segment YQ is perpendicular to segment XZ. Segment ZP. Segment ZP is an altitude on the base XY. That means segment ZP is perpendicular to segment XY. And segment XR. XR is also an altitude on the base YZ. So, segment XR is perpendicular to segment YZ. So, children, segment YQ, segment ZP, segment XR are the three altitudes of triangle XYZ, and these three altitudes are meeting at a point O. So the point of concurrence is called the orthocenter of the triangle and it is always denoted by the letter O. But remember, the orthocenter of a right angle triangle is the vertex of the right angle. The orthocenter of an obtuse angle triangle is in the exterior of the triangle. The orthocenter of an acute angle triangle is in the interior of the triangle. Now we go to medians. What do you mean by medians? It means the segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called a median of the triangle. Now children, just look at the figure. In triangle ABC, segment CX is a median on the base BA. So we can say that medians are nothing but the midpoint of the opposite side, and it is half of the side on which it is present. How to draw medians of a triangle? Children, draw any triangle of any measure and give the name to the triangle. Triangle ABC. Then find the midpoint of side AB and draw a segment CP. Then find the midpoint of side BC and draw a segment AQ. Again, find the midpoint of side AC and draw a segment BR. So children, segment PC, segment QA and segment BR are the medians of the triangle ABC, and these medians are meeting at a point G. So their point of concurrence is called the centroid. It is denoted by G. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. For all types of triangles, the centroid G is in the interior of the triangle. So with this, I finish with this chapter, children. Hope you have understood what are altitudes and medians. Now to make this concept more clear, I would like you to solve practice set 4.1 in your notebook. Thank you and God bless.